This is how to retouch hair in Photoshop, turning it from this to this. I am Edney, this is Edney Studios. Let's get started. Retouching hair is not that hard. You just need to follow a few steps and that's it. Let's open Photoshop. I have already done frequency separation and dodging and bending for the photos, so this time we are just going to do the hair retouching. So the first step, we are going to dodge and bend the hair. What the dodge and bend is going to help us to do in this case is to darken the two bright parts and brighten the two dark parts to make the hair more even and full. Create your dodge and bend layers. I am going to do that using my actions, but you can download that using the link in the description. After creating the layers, click on the bend layer and make sure your opacity is low, so somewhere 10% is good. Paint on these brighter areas. Let it be a little darker, also areas like this. Click on the dodge layer and paint on some darker places to brighten them. After the dodge and bend process, create a new layer. Select the clone stamp tool. Here is where the magic starts. Zoom into the image a little. Hold Alt and click on a place you want to sample from, and click on the place you want to replace. It will replace this with the areas you've sampled. We want to remove some stray and irregular hairs in order to make the hair look more put together and more shaped. Also, we are using the clone stamp tool to do this, to fill some of the potholes in the hair. So at this point, we are trying to make sure the hair looks full and as well shaped as good looking as possible. I think we should darken this place a little using the dodge and bend layers. After we're done, the next step is to use the Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus E to create a screenshot layer. After, go to Effects and click on Liquify. This is where we are coming to do the ultimate final hair shaping. In Liquify, you can change the facial features just by using these points. But to shape the hair, we are going to use this forward warp tool. This is used to move portions of the hair into your desired shape. Okay, so increase the brush size using the right parenthesis. Click and drag the portion of the hair inward or outward depending on how you want the shape to be. For me, I want the hair to be in a somewhat round shape. So let's start our inward and outward road to perfection. To get a good result, take it slowly and don't rush the process so much. The pushing up and down of the hair should be done little by little. So this is the before and the after. You can see the huge difference. We are going to use this tool, which is called the bloat tool, to bring out this portion. This makes the place bloat per its name. So you can just bloat any of the portion by clicking on it. So this tutorial is just based on the hair retouching, but after color grading and a few other things, this is the final result of the photo. Leave any question you have for me in the comment section. I am Edney and let's call it a day.